appetite, let's try here at the Marilaki area. Tanay branch. See? Of course, gelato. Yahoo! Cakes, and pastries, the other side.
Pork floss, sourdough, salted egg, ham and cheese, tapos pistachio, plain on chocolate, then almond. Ano yung
Yeah.